It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. You want something that is bold, not only in its looks, but also in its attitude. Something always up for fun and built to go places. The Highlander, built just for you. Features include continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, in-tune, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.